tonight, a Kearns coalition is getting national recognition, finding success with fighting drug addiction in their own community.
Fox 13's Lauren Steinbrecher joins us live from Kearns tonight to explain why the work this group does goes far beyond what you might expect. Lauren.
Yeah. Bob and Kelly, this group is called Evidence to Success, and they have a number of different programs that they're working on. They've got some pretty unique studies they're kicking off, and they want to show what Kearns is up to beyond what you might typically see in the news. Now, this is a community, a coalition community. They're coming from all corners of Kearns for this purpose. Inside Hope Unlimited Community Church.
All of this food is distributed out on a weekly basis.
Is a small community food bank. Executive Pastor Joshua Nielsen says the need has doubled during the pandemic. People beyond grateful for help.
We got a handwritten note 2 weeks ago. A woman said, "Thank you very much. Because of the food I received here, I was able to save up enough money to get my teeth fixed." That brought tears to our eyes.
People who might be battling more than just how to feed their families.
If you can prevent and remove the items that cause addiction, then you don't have to fight addiction. It's not reactive, it's proactive.
That's why the food bank partners with the coalition that Nielsen serves on called Evidence to Success, made up of 40 members in the community who know the light often shed on Kearns.
Every time Kearns is on the news, it's about some violent crime that has happened, and people associate Kearns with that stigma.
A stigma they've been fighting for half a decade to change, and they say it's working. On Saturday, E2S collected 178 pounds of drugs for a take-back, 2.5 times the amount of their take-back last fall. They partner with UPD, the Kearns Community Council, and the Metro Township. At the board meeting Monday,
we'll also have material on ways for parents to get involved with their children.
The coalition debuted a new project with the State Department of Health, studying the needs of cancer patients living in Kearns.
The focus is doing an assessment on the community and understanding what residents how they're accessing health care, and specifically how they're treating and dealing with cancers.
E2S also runs programs for families and kids called Guiding Good Choices and Me Time, programs that have spread to other towns and school districts.
We have gotten national attention because of our programs. We have had a lot of success especially with growing this Me Time program. We also just implemented a youth council that is fighting to fill our food banks here in Kearns, especially in the schools.
We have all these experts that come up with these amazing ideas, and these ideas all blossom into the programs that we're running today. It's resulting in funding, it's resulting in community involvement, it's resulting in all of these organizations coming together and not playing in their own sandbox, but playing in the one big sandbox to help people.
Addiction prevention that takes a whole community approach with diverse partnerships working together.
There's no end. The Oval, the Kearns Local Park Fitness Center, Kearns Rec Center, Utah Community Action, Granite School District, all of these people come and play so that this place can be better.
The food bank is just one spoke in the hub of the wheel, Nielsen says.
All of this meat is going to go out to the community on Friday,
as they serve Kearns to build a stronger community. Now, E2S says they're now sharing their model with Magna as Magna starts up their own coalition, and they say the Granite School District has adopted the Me Time program from Kearns High School in their own high schools as well. So what they're doing here is having a ripple effect in other communities in the valley. Live in Kearns, Lauren Steinbrecher, Fox 13 News, Utah.
Lauren, thank you. One of the members of Evidence to Success is the United Way. They've been doing their own work in Kearns recently, conducting interviews for a project that they say focused on engaging with and uplifting voices in the community, building relationships with residents, and hearing their experiences living in Kearns, specifically when it comes to safety with school children.
I think United Way tries to see students, not just in the school setting, but overall, I think everything impacts how students do well in school, the home, the community, the things that impact students outside of school.
The United Way says its grassroots leadership team interviewed 7 people for the project. Next, they want to talk with students, and they hope to continue these community conversations.